Good afternoon from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. And this is the latest rendition of the hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, March the 7th, 2013. Starting with our afternoon weather map. Well, the Great Lakes region is sandwiched between departing low pressure off the Atlantic coast and developing low pressure out west in the Rockies. A broad ridge of high pressure stretches from the Hudson Bay region down through the Great Lakes and then continuing to the Gulf Coast states. Dry air associated with this system has led to some clearing skies across parts of the state this afternoon. Clear to partly cloudy conditions kind of rule northern Michigan as we speak. This will be the case as we head through tonight into Friday. However, we are still seeing some lake clouds due to the shallow cold air lingering over the Great Lakes. That will continue to impact the region for tonight and into the day on Friday. So a mix of clouds and some clear skies at times will be the rule across northern Michigan tonight and into the day on Friday, but no substantial weather is expected. Stepping through our forecast weather maps for Friday evening, we see that ridge of high pressure is just scooting off to the east by Friday evening. So mainly fair skies will persist through the day and through the night on Friday night. We will see a return flow of southerly winds picking up across the Great Lakes region on Friday night, and this will help to further thin out any remaining cloud cover as some warmer air begins to push back into the Great Lakes region. Then as we get into the day on Saturday, and especially through Saturday night, our next storm system will be on the radar screen by that point in time. We're keeping an eye on this developing area of low pressure out west that will eventually work into the Plains region and up into the Midwest late Saturday going into Sunday. At this point in time, it does look like this system will track up through the far western part of the Great Lakes region, putting this part of the Great Lakes on the warm side of the storm, but bringing some precipitation up into the state on Saturday night that will linger into the day on Sunday. Mainly rain expected across lower Michigan, while a mix of rain and snow can be expected across the UP. Then as we get into Sunday, however, this entire system will cross the Great Lakes region and allow cooler air to filter back into the Great Lakes region and turn any remaining precipitation back into snow as we head into Sunday night. At this point in time right now, it does not look like any appreciable snowfall will impact the Great Lakes region at this point in time. Here is that forecast weather map for Sunday, with that area low pressure tracking up through Wisconsin, and any significant snowfall with the system would be located back across Minnesota and parts of Wisconsin, and by and large missing the Great Lakes region altogether. But again, there's still some uncertainty of the exact track of the storm system, so be sure to stay tuned to later forecasts as we get into the weekend. Here is the 3-day precipitation forecast starting this evening through Sunday. Much of this precipitation is expected to fall across, at least through lower Michigan, in the form of rainfall, with a mix across the UP. And you can see that we have upwards of like a quarter to half an inch of total precipitation expected from that storm as it goes through the region. So recapping for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies, again with that shallow cold air over the Great Lakes and lingering lake clouds. No significant precipitation expected. Lows will range from the single digits to the teens, just depending on just how clear the skies do remain in your particular location. If the skies remain pretty much clear through the night, temperatures will bottom out in the single digits. Then on Friday, turning warmer, with all areas going above freezing, under partly sunny skies, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Partly to mostly cloudy skies for Saturday, highs in the mid-30s to lower 40s, and then the rain-snow chances increase for the day on Sunday. Mainly rain across lower Michigan, and rain, snow, and or all snow across upper Michigan on Sunday. Highs in the mid-30s to mid-40s, but temperatures will be dropping as we go through much of the day on Sunday. A bit colder for Monday and Tuesday of next week, with some snow expected on Monday, some light snow, and then some scattered snow showers on Tuesday. Highs mainly around 30 to the upper 30s. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur around 5 a.m. tomorrow morning.